Hey people, welcome back to the channel Take the Boat. I guess you people are all doing good. So today we're going to discuss about a concept which is perhaps the most naturistic product. A little bit of few value additions would actually make them reach more of the market potential, and that's because few tweaks could actually bring a lot of presentation to agricultural producers. So before we get on to the concept in detail, so if you're a new viewer to the channel, please do not forget to subscribe to the channel and click that bell icon as soon as you subscribe to the channel so that you'll be posted with regular video updates. So today the concept is all about the tender coconuts. I guess you people might have seen these kind of packagings. This is little bit not a packaging altogether, it's just the outer layer is being trimmed. This is called trimmed coconut. So that's the tender coconut which people usually prefers to have during the sunny day, and that's also taken as a natural therapy and a natural drink in order to stay neutralized and hydrated throughout the day. So this can actually be procured on a wholesale basis, and then you can pack them with just removal of the outer, the perimeter skin. So by making that, you can sell them at a higher value added profitable costing. So these pieces can be procured at a wholesale cost of 15 rupees per piece. I've given the details in the description box where will route you to the website where these details would be given to you for your reference. Perhaps there might be little bit of variations in the costings because at this point of time there are a lot of hiccups in the markets and transits now. So probably they may charge or they may actually quote a little higher costing. That depends on the current scenario, and that applies for all the business. Almost every point of time you'll have certain fluctuations in the costings just because of the market contemporary markets volatilities. So that's why the costing might be a little bit different. Perhaps that will be more or less what I've already quoted here. So these tender coconuts which are trimmed, that could be sold in a market approximately for 35 rupees, and that's as least as possible because nowadays in the roadside shop the tender coconuts are almost sold for 50 to 60 rupees, and you can actually concentrate the market with more of a natural touch along with the effective costing as well. So the costing part entirely depends on your margin calculation, though I take it for 16 rupees per piece. It's entirely in your hands to evaluate your transit cost and then other labor cost in order to get as much as margin. And this is just a projection here where a target should have to be fixed up. And as we used to discuss about this frequently, the target has to be set at a cost of actual expense along with your margin, and that is how the product has to be traded to meet that target. And in this case we have given like 50 to 100 pieces per day as a target, and the buying cost would actually go for 15 rupees per piece. Along with the transportation we can fix it up for 16, and you have to make sure that it meets the quality in the regular supply, and perhaps the hygiene is what people look for on these days because of the ongoing issues and health parameters which people often gauge in order to evaluate or increase the market potential for a product. And the profit here goes like every single piece you'll have 16 rupees as an expense and 3 rupees you have to give it as a shop profit, and that makes like 19 rupees. And if you are trying to sell it for 35 rupees, and absolutely that's going to give you a margin of 16 per piece. And this could also be worked upon the actual scenario and the profitability which you are looking at, because as I was saying, the normal value, unvalue added, just like that raw tender coconut is being sold at 50 or 60 rupees at times, and when you are doing some value additions you can obviously quote your own cost, but make sure you reach the brand and the costing part as well in order to address the market gaps. So in order to complete the target of 100 pieces per day, you have to supply at least to 5 shops or supermarkets where each shop has to be given with 20 pieces minimum, and that gives you like 100 pieces and 16 rupees profit would make you like 1600 each day, and the yearly profit, like the monthly profit, would go up to 48,000. And this particular product has 7 days of shelf life, and that makes you more comfortable in order to manage the scale of this particular transit, and positioning them in the supermarket and having their retained until it's sold to the end consumer. And the target has to be set for each supermarket, and you can even wholesale at the apartments or the multi-story buildings where you'll have a lot of people, and then you have home delivery facility through references and other sources, and expand the supply. That's going to be the only way you can expand your business. As much as you expand your altogether supply capability, that's going to expand your overall revenue and the margin. And create a brand, try to create a fresh brand that gives you a high brand reputation and makes you a unique product across the market and across the domestic, as well as if we can go up to a ladder of international, that should also be an additional value for your product. And as an additional marketing strategy, you can still go for bottling these things, like bottle similar to that of a bottled drinks. You can go with tender coconuts in bottle, and though the bottling part goes with the customization more or less equal to the sophisticated other products, and this kind of fresh thing which without the external layer and just the internal crust would actually give more of a naturalistic presentation for that, which people would love, in fact. So I guess I've covered enough of information about this business concept here. If at all you got anything as a question or queries, please feel free to let me know in the comment section. I'll be pleased to assist on that. If you feel something, any specific business concept can be discussed in our channel, you can feel free to let me know on the comments as well. I'll be pleased to present that as well. So if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. Share it with your friends or someone who is really in need of sharing. Doesn't cost you, but still that could be a life-changing moment, life-changing video for someone who's really in need of an assistance. So we'll see you soon with another interesting concept. Till then, take care. Bye bye.